Hey guys, welcome back to FixItPhillip. Thanks for watching. Today I got a 91 Toyota pickup with the 22 RE. I'm doing a motor swap. I started this before I started making the YouTube channel, but I'm putting in the new motor today. Here's the old motor. So I got a whole new long block. Just been taking off all the intake and exhaust and all the accessories from this one, putting on the other motor. And today we're going to drop it in and get it running. so we got oil in here, we got coolant. Let's put the battery in. I just disconnected the harness here for the igniter to disable the spark. I took out this EFI relay to disable the injectors. And I'm gonna go ahead and crank this over for a bit and get some oil circulating. And then we'll plug that back in and we'll fire it up, see how it sounds. Okay, we'll plug this igniter plug back in. We'll put this relay back in for the EFI. All right, so the motor's running, sounds good. I'm just gonna put the hood on and give it a good test drive. So thank you guys very much for watching the 22RE install. Be sure to hit that subscribe button below. And remember, with FixItPhillip, you can fix it. I'll see you next time.